Welcome. This is a video on how to publish your charts made from spreadsheets for graphs with proper titles and axes labeled. First, when you're into your Google Drive account, go to Create, choose a spreadsheet. Now again, you just need to have two columns, doesn't matter where you publish the data. I'm just going to start randomly somewhere and publish some random numbers. Let's say this is my walking speed and I'm looking at when I walked for different periods of time, how many feet I was displaced to determine the rate at which I was walking, or my walking speed. So maybe I start with some simple things like a time 0, 3 seconds later, 6 seconds later, 9 seconds later, 12 seconds later, and I was displaced 0 feet, then 6 feet, then 12 feet, then 18 feet, and then 24 feet, and I'm looking to see if there's a trend in my average walking speed. Once you highlight the numeric values from the top left corner to the bottom right corner, all data is highlighted. Choose Insert from the menu. Insert this into a chart. Select the chart type from the menu option. Choose Scatter. First scatter option. There's your data. Press Insert. You now have your chart inserted on top of the spreadsheet page. Select the chart and get some new menu options like View and Edit. This is where my last video ended off. And now this little button on the top right corner, if you select it, you could do some advanced edit features, but you can also move the chart to its own sheet. I think that makes it easier. Move it. It's now in a second sheet. And if you choose the advanced edit options on the top right, you get to customize it. Chart title, let's call this displacement versus time. In parentheses, I'll just call this my walking speed lab. For my legend, you can change some of the features in the font and such. My axes, my horizontal axes, this was my time data, which is in parentheses in units of seconds. And as you start to write that, you'll see it added to the right side. Select axes, left vertical axes. Call this displacement. In parentheses, your unit of feet in this case. And obviously you can change some other features, colors of points, font sizes, but I would leave the default. I think it's just fine. Press Update, and you now have your chart title here, which should change soon. Both axes are labeled. You do have your data points. If you want to select the data point, you do get some options. You could change certain features, the color if you need to. If you have your legend and you want to edit your legend, move it to the right, move it to the bottom. Have none if you don't need one. It's only one set of data. Maybe it's not necessary. And